jumps in the slaughterhouse square. Oh, 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 killing the animals. Feed the village, feed the children. No one goes hungry here. Oh, slaughterhouse square. No animal wants to go there. No, no, no animal would dare go there. I'm not into murder. Oh, 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 killing the animals. Feed the village, feed the children. No one goes hungry here. Boo, slaughterhouse square. No animal wants to go there. No, no, no animal would dare go there. I'm not into murder. Oh, 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 killing the animals. Feed the village, feed the children. No one goes hungry here. Take me down to the slaughterhouse. All the animals always go down there. Gotta go down there, oh yeah. We all gotta go down there. Oh, 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 killing the animals. Feed the village, feed the children. No one goes hungry here.
So this is Largo de Matadouro. So Matadouro, I'll have to look it up later, but it's like slaughterhouse, I think. But but now it's completely different, of course, and you got some really nice restaurants in here, some nice spaces, and we're gonna explore all of this and show you what it looks like. And we're right on the Coloane waterfront as well, which is right on the other side of these little homes or shops and such. And we're gonna walk down there. So that's also part of our Largo, surprisingly enough. So that's still the whole Largo de Matadouro. Okay, Slaughterhouse Square in Coloane, southern part of Macau, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And it has a pretty interesting name. So I guess as the name implies, this is an area where they would kill animals. Slaughterhouse. But it's kind of interesting because the history of it is basically around fish and oysters. So seafood, and it was such a small, tiny little village. So I can't imagine that, you know, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe there were cows on little Coloane Island back in the day. I'm not really sure. But anyways, it is called Slaughterhouse 5. So we created this music, and it's just kind of having fun with, you know, killing the animals, kind of playing around with the street name. So Chinese and Portuguese, it has the similar name. So the lyrics are right there, and they're fading fast, and we're going to get right into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk through this Slaughterhouse Square of Coloane Village in the most southern part of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to that side, because that side looks quite a bit more interesting. And then you have these shops, and I think some of these are private homes, but I'm kind of want to see if I can walk down this way. I don't know if I can or not. I think that actually, but you can see the waterfront right up that way. I think I'm not going to go all the way down. And we're just going to try to capture some of the shops, and I think this one is actually a private home, but there's temples inside, so we won't film that one. But there are some nice restaurants in here, so we'll walk down to those in a moment. Then you can kind of see the way the houses, it's like kind of corrugated metal, and you have some nice plazas like this. And then there's a nice restaurant right there too. these chairs are like really interesting. They're all lined up. Anyways, this is actually a different street called Navigante. And so Navigante would go down that way. It's a little bit beyond our scope, but there's some nice restaurants and interesting stuff down this way. But this right here is where our square is at. Nice temple right here. Going, I think. Another temple, and then it kind of goes up into it's another shrine right there, the two lions. So we're gonna go back down again. So yeah, then this is a really beautiful tree right here, and they also have these little things. These are from the typhoons, and it's also labeled so 119. That means that it's preserved. So that one's actually a preserved tree. Okay, so let's walk down this way. So yeah, this is all part of this Matadouro. So let's move out of the way for the car. And then this actually goes into these alleys. This one is actually the WC. But I think there's actually like a pirate's alley in here too, which is down a little bit down that way. So we're still right here, Largo de Matadouro, and you can see it goes it's this square right here, but it also goes down that street right there. I'm kind of tempted to go this way because I know it's going to be a little bit more interesting, and then we're going to come back around in a circle. See, I think Matadouro is like slaughterhouse, I think. Becca de Rosa. Then this one is the Pirates one. So this one says Pirates Lane, Azinhanga dos Piratas. So that actually, there's some history where they eradicated pirates that were hidden in this spot. So I think this lane maybe was historically where the pirates were kind of at, maybe. But anyways, we gotta get back to Matadouro, and I'm gonna do it by going down a main street, which is right over here. It's we're basically like parallel with it. Here's a nice Portuguese restaurant right here. So there's been space. Let's see. And then this one goes back down to Matadouro. We got some Hello Macau, because this attracts a lot of tourism. And we got a nice long line right here. Let's see if we can squeak by here. Lord Stowe's Bakery. So everybody here is gonna get the bakery, so that whole line is for that bakery right here. Egg tart. Lord Stowe is actually a British guy. And then this is still Matadouro right here. You can see that sign right there, so that's Largo de Matadouro. And then this one would go all the way down to that little square, which is directly down that way. But we're actually going to go over to the waterfront, and then we're going to walk down. Ooh, there's a dog. think that's a dog. If you go down that way, that's a dog that'll come after you. But it won't on this street though. Okay, so Matadouro is behind us. Then this is kind of a corner for the sunset. And the sunset's right on the other side of the water. Then we have a ton of tourists here today. That's the waterfront. Waterfront sunsets over that mountain right there. And then this is whole waterfront. People can get a pretty good photographic shot. So let's move back this way, back to Matadouro. Lots of observational stuff. Black and white tiles, scooter, pork chop bun. There's another large stoves right there, and I think that one you can sit inside, where the other one is delivery. And then this is a little plaza right in here. The dog was here, the dog left. The dog will go after you if you go. If you go into this space, I have a video where I tried to walk down this way a little bit. The dog came running after me. I don't know where he is right now. But yeah, I think this right here is private property for one of these homes. And then the dog will protect that property. It's a nice, beautiful lighthouse up there. Okay. All part of Matadouro. So yeah, this kind of goes out into the waterfront. I saw the dog go by. Definitely not gonna walk down that way today. I learned my lesson the other time. Okay, so anyways, Matadouro. And on that note, we're gonna end it. And then this is actually the Matadouro Square. Largo de Matadouro. And then just to give you some idea of all the different stuff going on around here, there's Coloane Pier, which would be directly down that way. Shipyards would be around the corner. San Francisco Xavier Church, which is kind of in the heart of Coloane. Then there's Tin Hau Temple, which is all the way down to the other end. Oh, Tam Kong Temple is all the way down the other end. But they're both down that direction anyways. And then that's Largo de Matadouro.